My hair is so long, I can't sit down. Okay, don't sit on the hair, girl. Don't sit on the hair. Hello lovely people and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm doing another hair video, and in case you're new here, how about you subscribe first, then we go on. Yep, hit the subscribe button. So today I'm going to be doing a tutorial on how to turn your basic look into if you like it, then let's go on and start. So for the first step, you need to get your hair laid back. So I usually use water. I have some water here in a spray bottle, and I'll be spraying my hair just to make sure there are no flyaways, or just to ensure that the hair is laid. And then I'm also using just a simple brush to brush all the hair back. You can use gel if you want your hair to lay flat, but I don't think I'll be using gel. Oh, also sorry, so we are going to be removing pieces of hair from the front, just a small section, and that's what we are going to be braiding. Yeah, I think I'll have a mid-size braid, so that's what you're going to remove first. Then let's continue combing that hair. So once you're happy with your hair, if it's laid, then you can tie it up. I use extreme to tie my hair. Don't ask, guys, don't ask. So make sure it's super tight. You can choose a high bun or a low bun, but I'm just doing, sorry, a high ponytail or a low ponytail. I'm doing a low ponytail today, but the look will still, it will still look good if it's a high ponytail. So make sure you tie that tight. See how I'm tying mine? Round and round I go. Once your hair is tied, you can use spray to get any flyaways, because this look has to be like really tight and really smooth. So I usually use olive oil, ORS, nourishing what? Okay, I usually use olive oil, ORS, nourishing sheen spray. Guys, try and say that without the struggle, guys, the struggle. Okay, just brush away any flyaways, and then we'll start by braiding the front. So as I said before, you can use any type of braids, any length of braids. I've got box braids, I think, and I chose very long ones because I just like the look. So let's go ahead and braid these two front ones. So guys, we are finished with these two braids, super long braids. So we're going to the main part. So your hair is all tied up, right? Now we want to add some braids to this hair. So make sure this is as slicked down as possible. I'm just spraying some little water on it, and I'm putting a little oil on it so it lays flat, because you don't want it poking out through the braids. So let me comb that out. And then we'll get into braiding. So I've just taken some braids that I had earlier on, and I've put them into a rubber band. But if your hair will be like caught, or it will like tag on, or the rubber band will tag on your hair, you can just use a normal hairband. So I'll be attaching this to my hair. Let's do that once, twice, 3. Ooh, that's getting tight. Okay, 3 times I think is enough. Yeah, make sure it's at the end. So this is how it looks like, and then we are going to be braiding that. So if you don't have braiding skills, ask somebody to help you out, but if your braiding skills are good, then let's go ahead. So you guys can, I don't know if you can see, but my hair ends here. So the ends are poking out a bit, but we'll cover that up. So don't worry about that, we'll fix it. So this is the look, but we are not basic, so we're going to add more flair to it. So for the front, I've gotten these cute coils. This one has a butterfly, or you can just get simple ones, and also these gold clips, and I'll be adding that to my hair. This cute little gold string, so that's what I'm going to be looping all through the back, just to give it a cute look. And then also remember, I told you guys that where my hair ends, it's poking out a bit, so we'll use the string to cover that up. So this is the look, guys. It's very affordable. You can use just like half a pack, or even I've used quarter of a pack of braids, and then just accessorize with what you have. Let's do our edges, guys, and then see the final look. So guys, I really hope you've enjoyed watching this video. If you haven't yet, please go and subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you can be getting more of my videos, and share the love, guys. Let's tell our friends and family about this channel, and let's share the love. So until the next video, I'll see you guys later. Ciao.